Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Windowslovers.com. This is me host Prajwal, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to minimize YouTube on your iPhone and also how to enable YouTube picture-in-picture using a browser. So let's get started. Before we start, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for any more tech tutorials, and also if you have any issues, if you run into any issues, or if you have any other ideas, please let me know in the comments and I'll make sure that I'll update them in the future videos. A couple of things is I'm going to use a third-party browser, not a third-party media player applications. Reason being is I don't really trust any applications that's been developed by any third party unless it's a reputable company and a reputable developer. So if you want to use any other applications which is provided online to minimize YouTube, please go for it. I personally don't suggest to my users, but because I don't know if further down the road that application might create any issues or might breach your privacy and your data. Second thing is I'll also show you how to enable YouTube picture-in-picture on iPhone, which is pretty much the same process as minimizing YouTube, but I'll go through both of them as we proceed with this video. Okay, now you should know how to log into App Store and how to download free applications from App Store on your iPhone. If not, please get some assistance, but it is pretty straightforward, so it shouldn't be an issue for you. So first I'm going to go and download a application called Opera Browser. So I'm going to open App Store. And once the App Store is up, on the bottom right corner there's a search option, so I'm going to tap on search, and what you want to do is you want to search for Opera Mini. So that's already there, so if you just go and Opera Mini search and just look for this icon here with a white background and a red color circle. If not, just make sure that when you open it, you got to make sure that it is supplied by Opera Software AS, as you can see just under the title. And once that's there, and if you've confirmed that this is the right applications, go and download it. You don't want to download any other application that is trying to look like Opera Mini. Once the download is completed, tap on open, and it says welcome to Opera. Tap on continue. And this is actually a really cool browser if you want to use it for other purposes as well. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to just minimize YouTube using Opera. So I'm going to go start browsing, and as you can see on the dashboard itself, there is a YouTube icon. So I'm going to go tap on the YouTube, and it loads the normal mobile version of YouTube. So what you want to do is first you want to search for a video, or you can jump to the second step, but I'm just going to search for one of my videos. So I'm just going to open one of my own videos just for privacy reasons. And once the video is opened, there might be some ads depending on the video itself. So at the moment it doesn't have any ads, so that's fine. So what you want to do is once the video is playing, you're going to tap to stop it, or you don't really have to pause it. But once the video has started to play, what you want to do is on the bottom right corner you will see 3 lines. You want to tap on that, and there's an option that says desktop side. So tap on desktop side, slide that slider all the way, or just tap on it, it will slide it. So now as you can see, it's opened up a desktop version or the full version of YouTube, and this one actually has ads. So let the ads play, skip the ads, and as you can see the video has started to play. What I want to do now is the first thing I want to show you how to play this video in background, or how to play this video while your phone is locked. So what I'm going to go ahead is I'm going to go and lock it. Okay, so I'm just going to, now the video has stopped playing. So now if I go back and press the power button again, or the lock button, on the home screen there will be a play option, and on the top it will give you the video title. What you want to do is just tap on play, and as you can see the video has started to play again. So that's how you minimize YouTube on your iPhone. You can listen to your audiobooks like this, you can listen to any music like this, or you can listen to any long form content like this while you're driving, or while you're on a bus, or anything like that. So that was the part 1 of the video. Now the part 2 of the video is how to enable picture-in-picture. So picture-in-picture is basically it turns your YouTube into a small mini player that sort of floats around on the screen while you use other applications or while you do other things on your phone. So at the moment with iOS 14, this was enabled for almost everything, and on the beta version of iOS 14 it was enabled for YouTube as well, but unfortunately on the full version it was pulled out for obvious reasons, because YouTube has its own premium services which does that. So with Opera browser you can actually sort of achieve that. So what you want to do is you want to download Opera again, you want to open YouTube, you want to open the video you want to play in picture mode, and once the video is up, what you want to do is tap on the bottom right corner, and then you want to slide the desktop side slider and it opens the desktop version. Now what you want to do is, there's a couple of options. So start playing the video. Okay, so there's a couple of options. What you can do is you can tap on the second icon on the top right corner that looks like a PIP icon or picture-in-picture icon, or the easiest way to do is just swipe up from the top, depending on the iPhone you have basically, but swipe up from the top, and now as you can see the video has gone into PIP mode or the picture-in-picture mode. You can hide it on the left, you can hide it on the right, and you can bring it out depending on your preference as well. And this goes the same. So once the video is in a PIP mode, again, if you lock your screen, you can tap and play it as we did before as the same thing. And if you want to expand it, you would tap on it and you can tap on the icon on the top right corner and it will expand back to the normal version. And if you swipe down, you will go back to the YouTube version. Okay, so now please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful. Please leave any comments if there's any issues, and subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you want to learn how to control your Windows 10 PC remotely or how to use VNC server, that's the video on the left. If you want to learn how to use your iPad as a wireless secondary or second monitor using your free applications, that's the video on the right. That's all for this time, and you have a nice day. Thank you.